This is the schoolhouse. Does your house have a name?
My school, this one, I
Mm,
don't know.
doesn't have a name. It's a name. It's a Welsh house. Yeah. So that's a old school. They bought a school and few families converted it into a home, and with all the grounds and the facilities. Wonderful place.
You said yeah.
On the right, you can climb up the hills.
Yeah. So just catch a couple of these. That looks like a birdhouse with a like a central heating thing. There's some electrical thing there. There's the Barbie man. Hello, Barbie man.
Sorry. It's all right, love. And bad news. I'll go that way.
This is the head of the Winston of the Campbell clan.
No, it's over there.
Where's the head?
Louise.
Louise is the head.
I was wondering why I wasn't bouncing.
Sun's out. Better get some filming done quick. So that's hibiscus type from the Mediterranean. We have a different type of hibiscus in the tropics. We have a butterfly there. Woo. Fig tree. I'm filming. Kai Kai. This is a superstar Kai Kai. And he's got a brother or sister in that tummy coming. I'm announcing it. We're looking for cows?
Yeah.
Oh, I think we're gonna find some, you know.
Hold my hand.
Hold your hand.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm filming. I'll hold your hand in a minute.
Now you can film this flower.
That one is so beautiful. I'm gonna film that one. Like you said, Kai Kai, look at that. Yeah, so that's an outbuilding. Little artifact here. Aye. These are berries. Yeah, they look like blueberries. They're not blueberries.
Look at them pants. Look at them pants.
Look how big this tree is. Oh my God!
Wow, it's almost big like a cookie cake.
It looks like a California redwood, but I don't know for sure. But it's a mighty,
I think how is that from?
it's a mighty pine.
It's like a T-Rex.
Yeah, like a T-Rex, as big as a T-Rex. There is some swinging going on. This is a fern. This one here, it's called a fern.
Can I cook it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Or these?
It doesn't have any pricklies on it.
Or they're poisonous?
Green raspberries.
Look. Can I see?
It's a bench they've carved out of a wood, Kai. They just carved it out of a wood and made it into a nice bench. Yeah, it's cute.
Who did it?
It's cool.
Who did it?
I don't know who did it, you know. I don't know. And these trees are so big and tall and lovely to be underneath. It feels so safe under here with the trees. And a tree house. Oh my goodness, a tree house. It's an old school playground, as we said before, but look what they've done with the playground. It's all the remains are here, so we can play. But yeah, we're filming the playground. Here is some more leftover toys and swings.
I will go next to it.
You're going on? Let's see Kai Kai slide down. I'm filming you. There we go. Woo! It's not moving. Happy Emancipation Day, Ruben.
I was sitting on here for an hour sheep for 20 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
I was sitting on here for so long that I actually managed to fall asleep for 20 minutes myself.
Mm.
What? Oh, that is not good.
Compost heap here. And the field next door. Actually. There we go. There we go. Looking straight at me. Don't attack. More cows. Quite a few there. Another outbuilding. It's a vast place. Must be around, I don't know, maybe maybe a couple of acres, I would say. Backyard view. The rolling Welsh hills and valleys. Whoops. The blackberry looks good too. Ah, some of the playthings still left. Kids are having a warm time in there. Bottom bouncing. That's the watering hole for the cows. Smell. It's not really bad smell, but it's a cow smell. And these cows are eating grass, which is not all the cows will eat these things that they're fed some weird stuff. Let's see. There's a black and white cow. Let's get you up here. I can't. There we go. That's better. Heritage breed. You came to help me film. Yeah, and look, I'm gonna film this plum tree. It is so beautiful. Look. Yeah, they are not black plums or purple plums. These are yellow and pink, which is unusual variety, and I've tried a couple. They are delicious. Yeah, I tried it like that one. Yeah. And these are apple trees growing out to their full size, and foam. Normally the apple trees are cut and managed and pruned. And you don't really see the shape of it, but this is the full-blown apple tree, and it's nice to see.
You try that.
Here's a swinger. These are Americans. I didn't know you're from America.
Yeah.
I thought you're from Manchester.
Nah.
You're enjoying your UK visit?
Yeah. I'm enjoying it.
You're enjoying it, yeah. More freedom than America, isn't it?
No, not really.
Not really?
More
Okay.
stuff in America.
Is it?
Yeah.
I came to America, I thought it was just one big prison. Maybe I went to the wrong parts. The blue skies of Wales. Mr. Harry Enfield. Oh, there was a TV guy called Harry Enfield long ago. There's a big old shed. Logs for the winter. Logs like crazy. Logs to keep warm. I think they're banning logs in London or something, trying to. You must buy their fuel and pay the duty if you can get it. And logs are free. And there's a lady. She's gonna buy me a Welsh mansion like this soon, so I can recreate my Baiju's yard where I grew up in Jamaica. I can recreate some of it. It was about like this, my home. And this is a nice way for kids to grow up. Well, that's one great concept. 3-4 people put together, buy a large place in the countryside, enjoy retirement and tranquility. I guess this is a very good example.